welcome to Prime News. First a look at the headlines. Mining policy to be finalized in Wednesday's cabinet meeting. Policy to put additional levy on mining companies. Renewal of 28 leases in first phase. Babu Kawarekar's name figures in WRD engineer Kiran Godbole's suicide case. Babu called engineer on Saturday. Police record statement of 8 persons. State agrees to release one bank account of Cerula Comunidad. Asked Mapsa Court to expedite hearings. Crime branch to complete probe in 4 months. Virat Kohli bats for football. Talented cricketer feels Indian Super League will change the face of football in India. And India clinched gold medals in tennis and discus throw. Sania Mirza and Saket win mixed double titles. Seema Punia tops discus throw. Disappointment for Bajrang and women's hockey team. And now the news in detail. New mining policy is ready and it will be placed for approval before the cabinet on Wednesday. Sources inform that final touches to the new mining policy were given on Monday night. New mining policy will see renewal of 28 leases. It will also burden mining companies with additional levy.
New mining policy will be declared within next 48 hours. Policy is expected to give a new dimension to mining in Goa. Government finalized the policy by Monday night. Mines Department officials and gazetted officers were also kept at bay while framing this policy. But Prudent has come across some excerpts of the policy. They are: renewal of 28 leases as per High Court direction, renewal of 28 leases in first phase, remaining renewals as per new policy, case-to-case decision about remaining leases. Supreme Court has termed all mining activity as illegal after 2007. Government is contemplating additional levy on mining. Revenue generation plan by putting extra burden on mining companies. Special formula worked out for additional levy. Mining companies to bear the burden of generating extra revenue from the day policy gets notified. Suspense regarding the amount of the additional levy. What will be the magnitude of the burden to be shared by mining companies? How much revenue government will be raising through this exercise? Everything is suspense for now. But a section of the BJP claims that it would be unfair if mining companies have to share the burden from 2007. Even BJP Lok Sabha manifesto had promised to exclude any retrospective burden on any industry. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Congress MLA Babu Kawarekar's name is flashing in WRD engineer Kiran Godbole's suicide case. Babu Kawarekar had called Kiran Godbole on Saturday morning. MLA Alex Reginald claims that Babu Kawarekar had called the engineer to inquire about a pending work in his constituency. Right now, police have recorded statements of 8 persons related to this case. Now, police are scanning all call details. Babu Kawarekar is evading media.
MLA Babu Kawarekar's name has been flashing in WRD engineer Kiran Godbole's suicide case, giving it a new turn. Babu Kawarekar had called this engineer on Saturday morning to inquire about a specific pending work in his constituency. Congress MLA Alex Reginald has confirmed this.
As far as involvement of Babu Kawarekar, it is like this. Babu Kawarekar, I spoke to Babu Kawarekar in the morning and he told me that he's a nice man and that he had no differences with him of any sort. Still, the investigation, the investigation is in progress, and the investigation feels that there is anything, they should feel free that there is no any pressure from us or anybody to avoid any investigation. Now, as far as the allegation is concerned, told him that regarding some work, and that work, in fact, he had told him that tell his senior engineer, that is the executive engineer, to contact me. That was the only conversation which transpired between them.
We tried to contact Babu Kawarekar, but his phone was untraceable. Police are investigating the case. By Monday evening, police interrogated 8 persons in this connection. Police are scanning Godbole's phone calls for a breakthrough. Bureau Report, Prudent.
State government has agreed to release one bank account of Cellula Comunidad to pay employees' salaries and electricity bill. The High Court has directed MAPSA CBI Court to expedite hearing of the anticipatory bail application of the accused in the illegal land grab case. Crime Branch has stated before the High Court that it can complete investigation within 4 months if there are no hurdles.
The High Court on Monday heard an application moved by the Cellula Comunidad pleading release of its freezed bank accounts. Council of Cellula Comunidad contended that their all bank accounts have been freezed and they do not have money even to pay the electricity bill. Council further contended that salary to the employees have also not been paid. State government first opposed the plea of Cellula Comunidad to release the bank accounts, but later agreed to release one account. During the hearing, Crime Branch filed its third status report on this investigation conducted so far. Court was satisfied with the progress of the investigation, but it questioned the investigating agency about the time they will require to complete the probe. Crime Branch contended that they can complete the investigation of illegal land grab case in 4 months only if they don't face any hurdles. Crime Branch further contended that the investigation has almost come to a standstill as the special court at MAPSA is taking time to decide on the anticipatory bail applications of the accused. Special court has also orally directed Crime Branch not to arrest such accused. After hearing contentions of the Crime Branch, the High Court directed the MAPSA Special Court to expedite the hearing of the anticipatory bail applications of the accused. Meanwhile, one of the key accused and member of Cellula Comunidad, Aliston Lobo, has filed anticipatory bail application before the single bench of the High Court. Aliston Lobo is son of the accused attorney Agnel Lobo. Earlier, MAPSA court had denied anticipatory bail to Aliston. He is absconding. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.